students, today I am going to start question number 1 of exercise 15.2. Now question number 1 says plot the following points on a graph sheet. Verify if they line on a line. We will have to verify that all the points lie on a line or not. Okay. Now in the first part, here we have given 4 points A, B, C, D. We will have to plot the values of A, B, C, D in this graph sheet. Okay. So for this, at first we need to draw the two lines, two axes, which is vertical axis and horizontal axis. Okay. Horizontal axis is known as x-axis and vertical axis is known as y-axis. Suppose these two axes meet at point 0. Now we will have to take the scale. We'll take one box is equals to 1 unit. So here 1. Here we have taken one box. Okay. 1. So again after one box 1 unit. Then 3. Then 4. Then 5, and then after this is 6. Similarly, on the y-axis, we will take one box is equals to 1 unit. Here we have taken one box. Okay, in one box total small 10 boxes are there. So here 1. Again after one box we will write 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. Now at first we have the value of A, which is 4 and 0. Now this is x and this is the value of y. Okay. So since the value of x is 4, so we will have to put this value on the x-axis. Similarly, since value of y is 0, so we will have to put this 0 on the y-axis. Okay. Now here value of x is 4. Now so we will have to put this value on the x-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4. Okay. Now this is on the x-axis. Now value of y is 0. Now 0 means here is 0. So we will not go up. It will be here only. So the coordinate 4 and 0, coordinate means which contain x and y. Okay. So this value will be on the x-axis and we'll give the name as A. Okay. Now next we have B, which is 4, 2. Now first is x and the second value is on y. So x is 4. So that means here is 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 here only, and y, value of y is 2. Now that we will for putting the value of y we will have to go up. Now here is 1. We will have to put this value on the y-axis. The value of y should be put on the y-axis and value of x should be put on the x-axis. So since value of x is 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4 here is, and value of y is 2. So here is 1 and here is 2. So that means it will be here is 4 and here is 2. So it will be here. So we'll give the name as B. Okay. So what we have observed that since the value of x is 4, so 4 is here, and to put the value of y, this 2, see here is 2. So from here if you draw line, and from 4 if you draw line, this 2 line coincide over here. So this is our point B. Similarly, we will have to do point C, which is 4 and 6. Now 4 means value of x and y is 6. Okay. So 4, where is 4? Again 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Now to put the value of y, we need to go up. Now till 6 boxes we have to go. See here, we'll just see on the y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Okay, we will have to draw a line like this, and since x on the x-axis we have 4, so from here if you just draw a line, these two lines coincide over here, so this is our point C. Okay, now D is 4, 2.5. Now the value of x is 4, that means, and value of y is 2.5. Now value of x is 4, means again it will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be here. And 2.5, where is 2.5? See, in between, here is 2. For putting this 2.5, we need to check the y-axis, right? Since this is the value of y, we need to check y-axis. Now here 1, 2, and here is 3. And 2.5 means exactly in between 2 and 3. Here 5 boxes and here 5 boxes. So exactly in between 2 and 3. Now if you draw a line here, and x on the x-axis we have 4. So this is the line. So these two lines meet over here. So this is point D. Okay, so this way we will have to plot the points on the graph sheet. After plotting this, we need to verify if they lie on a line. So what we have seen that this A, B, C, D, these all points lie on a line. So we'll write yes, points A, B, C, D lie on a line. Okay, now coming to B part. Now again we will have to draw the two axes for plotting this points on the graph sheet. So we will have to draw the two axes, and we will be drawing on the dark green color line. Okay, this is vertical axis and this is horizontal axis. Horizontal axis is known as x-axis and vertical axis is known as y-axis, and the two axes meet at point O. Now here this is the coordinate, means x and y. The value of x and y at this point O point is 0 and 0. Okay, value of both x and y is 0. Now we will have to take the scale again. So we'll take one box is equals to 1 unit. So one box is equals to 1 unit. We have taken 1 1 in each box. So here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the vertical axis, means y-axis also, we will take the scale in a similar way. We'll take 1 1 in each box. Here 1 unit is equals to 1. Here 1 unit is equals to 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Till 7 we have taken. Now first point, let us check, it's 1 1. Okay, P is 1 1. That means here value of x and value of y is 1. Now where is 1 here? If see, when you are putting the value of x, you will have to see on the x-axis. Now in x-axis here is point 1. Fine. Now you will have to put the value of y, you need to go up. You need to see the y-axis. So here is 1. So we'll draw a line here, and here is 1. We'll draw a line here. So 1.1 is here. Okay. Here x coordinate also, here the value of x is also 1 and value of y is also 1. Okay. Now here we will mention the coordinate. So here we have got P value is here the point is P and the coordinate is 1 and 1, x and y. Coordinate means value of x and y here, 1 and 1. Next is 2 2, q is 2 2. So here value of x and y both is 2. Now here value of x is 2, so we'll see on the x axis. Now here is 2. Now we will have to put the value of y. Now to put the value of y, we will have to see on the y axis. Now this is value of x and value of y. See 1 2 here, right? So the two line meet over here. So this is point Q, which is 2 and 2. Next we have 3 3. So R is 3 3. So first we will put the value on the x axis. So here is 3 on the x axis, here is 3, and we'll just see on the y axis to put the value of y. Okay, now to put the value of y, we will have to see the y axis. Now 1 2, here is 3. So if you draw line here, and from x axis also if you draw line, see the both line meet over here. So this is point R, which is 3 3. Next is 4 4. Now 4 here, value of x and y both is 4. So to put the value of x, we need to see the x axis. So 1 2 3 4, here is 4. Now value of y is 4. So 1 2 3 4. So if you draw line, and from here also if you draw line, the two lines meet at point here, the two line coincide over here. So this is point S and the coordinate is 4 4. Okay, now we will join these points to verify whether they lie on the same line or not. So what we have seen, that all the points lie on the same line. So we'll write yes, point P Q R S lie on a line. In the A part also we will have to join all the points. Okay, here we will have to join all the points to check whether these points lie on a line or not. Since all the points lie on a line, so we have written yes, points A, B, C, D lie on a line, and here we will mention the coordinates. So here A coordinate is 4 and 0, B coordinate is 4 and 2, C coordinate is 4 and 6, and D coordinate is 4 and 2.5. Okay, now coming to C part. In the C part also, to plot this, we need to draw horizontal axis and vertical axis. So this is vertical axis and this is horizontal axis. Horizontal axis is known as x axis and vertical axis is known as y axis, and this is 0. Both axes meet at point 0. Now we'll have to take the scale. So here again we'll take one box is equals to 1 unit. So 1 2 3, this is 4 5 6 7, and on the y axis also we'll have to take the same scale. We'll take the same scale as 1 unit is equals to 1. So 1 2, here in each box we have taken 1 unit. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now at first we have K points and the coordinate of point K is 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 means value of x is 2 and value of y is 3. So here value of x, to find value of x we need to see the x axis. So here 1, here is 1 and here is 2. Okay, and to put value of y, which is 3, we need to see the y axis. So here is y axis. Okay, here is y axis and 3 is 1 2 3 here. Now from here we will draw line, and from here we will draw line, and wherever it meets there is the point K. Okay, so this is the coordinate of point K. Now next we have 5 and 3. L is 5 and 3. So now next we have point L, and the coordinate of point L is 5 and 3. Now L is 5 and 3, so the value of x is 5 and value of y is 3. So value of x is 5, so that we will find on the x axis. So 1 2 3 4 5, here it is, and value of y will get on the y axis. So 1 2 3 here. Now from here we will draw line, and from here we will draw line. So this meets over here. So this is point L, and the coordinate of point L is 5 and 3. Now next we have point M, and the coordinate of point M is 5, 5. So 5, 5 means the value of x is 5 and the value of y is also 5. Now where is 5 on the x axis? 1 2 3 4 5 here, and this is the value of y that we will get on the y axis. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now from here we will draw line, and from here we will draw line. So the two lines meet at here. So this is point M, and the coordinate of point M is 5, 5. Okay, next we have point N, which is 2 and 5. Coordinates of point M is 2 and 5. Now 2 and 5 means value of x is 2 and value of y is 5. Now value of x is 2. So where is 2? 1 2 here. Okay, and value of y is 5. So here it's 5 on the y axis. Now we will have to draw a line. So if you draw a line, and from here also if you draw a line, this will intersect over here. This is point N, and the coordinate of point N is 2, 5. Okay, so we have plotted the points in the graph sheet. Now we need to check whether all these points lie on a line or not. Now here we can see that if you join this point, we will get a rectangle. So these points do not lie on a line. Okay, so we'll write no point K, L, M and N do not lie on a line. Okay, so this is how we put the coordinates in the graph sheet. Okay, at first we will see the x axis, and then we'll see on the y axis, and from both the axes we'll just draw a line, and wherever it meets there only we'll get the points. Okay, so this was all about question number 1. Thank you, students.